car you want to build. Choose a track.
Huh?
Look, this is a fire truck. It can put out fires even in tall buildings. What a mess! We use these parts to build a vehicle. Cabin. Water tank. Water tank. Toolbox. Seats. Door. Door. Rotating mechanism. Wheels with wings. Wheels with wings. Ladder. Excellent! Let's gas up the car. Now press the pump to fill up the tank with fuel. Let's go! Yes! A prize! Prize. Hooray! You did it!